Good day everyone and warm greetings from Tafelberg Furnishers. Today it is my pleasure to share with you our extensive range of Bosch large home appliances. Bosch occupies a leading position amongst the world's most innovative companies with more than 130 years of quality-driven engineering. Today we are looking at some of these innovative Bosch home appliances, like the Bosch 10 kg front load washing machine, boasting features that are guaranteed to make your wash days a lot easier. Active oxygen technology effectively removes unpleasant odors from your laundry, and even at very low temperatures without chemical additives and with a push of only one button. Home Connect with Easy Start function recommends the right program to you directly from your mobile device. The Allergy Plus feature has a higher washing temperature and additional rinse cycle, which allows for a greater reduction in irritating allergies and is great for allergy sufferers and those with sensitive skins. Speed Perfect is a special function developed for situations when time matters and will ensure that your laundry is perfectly clean in up to 65% less time. With the Bosch Home Connect fridge-freezer combination, you can now remotely monitor and control your Wi-Fi enabled fridge with the Home Connect app, anytime, anywhere. This no-frost fridge freezer with Vita Fresh keeps fresh food crisp for longer, thanks to extra low temperatures for fish and meat and adjustable humidity for fruit and vegetables. Smart Food Management handles your fresh produce thanks to the two intelligent cameras in the fridge, so you can now check your refrigerator's contents at any given time and place through the Home Connect app. Next we have the Series 8 built-in 60 cm oven with 4D hot air that provides even heat distribution for perfect results on any level. TFT touch display control makes it easy to use thanks to the control ring with full text and symbols, so you always have a perfect view and easy control of your oven's functions. With EcoClean Direct, there is almost no cleaning necessary thanks to a special coating of the rear wall that automatically absorbs grime. The drop-down door with soft open and soft close. The oven door opens and closes gently and quietly. So make your way to your nearest Tafelberg Furnishers store and live life the smart way with Bosch and Tafelberg Furnishers. Always a better deal.